Is your Outlook inbox not updating, missing new emails, or stuck syncing? Don't worry. In this complete guide, we'll walk you through 4 effective solutions to fix this error. So let's begin. Solution 1. Disable offline mode. On your Outlook dashboard, go to the Send Receive tab. Click the Work Offline option to turn it off. Once disabled, Outlook should begin syncing your emails, and the error should be resolved. If the issue still persists, proceed to the next method. Solution 2. Disable unnecessary add-ins. In your Microsoft Outlook application, go to the File tab. From the bottom left corner, click on Options to open the Outlook Options window. Next, select the Add-ins tab. In the Manage field, choose COM Add-ins, then click Go. Review the list carefully and check for any suspicious or unnecessary add-ins. If you find one, select it and click Remove to uninstall it. After removing the suspicious add-ins, click OK to save the changes. If you're still experiencing the same issue, you may need to remove your email account and sign in again. We'll cover that in the next method. Solution 3. Reconfigure your email account. Open the control panel on your device and click on Mail. The Mail Setup Outlook window will appear. From here, click on Email Accounts. In this wizard, you'll need to remove your email account. I recommend removing all configured email accounts and then re-adding them for a clean setup. Simply select an email address and click Remove. Repeat this process until all accounts are removed. Once done, open your Microsoft Outlook application. Go to the File tab, expand the Account Settings menu, and select Account Settings again. Then click New. Enter your email address and click Connect. Outlook may prompt you to enter your account password, type it in, and your account will be reconfigured successfully. After reconfiguration, Outlook will start resynchronizing your emails. In most cases, this resolves the issue, and there's a very high chance you won't see the error again. However, if the problem still occurs and you're unable to access your emails, you may need to repair the PST file. We'll cover that in the next method. Solution 4. Repair Outlook data file using ScanPST. Outlook includes a built-in repair utility called scanpst.exe, which is designed to repair corrupted Outlook data files. This tool is usually located in the default installation folder of Microsoft Outlook. To access it, right-click on the Outlook application and select Open File Location. Scroll through the folder and locate scanpst.exe. Once you find it, double-click to open the tool. In the ScanPST wizard, click on Browse and select your Outlook data file, the PST file, then click Open. After that, click Start to begin the scanning process. The tool will analyze the file and display any detected errors. Click on Repair, and the utility will fix the issues automatically. After the repair process is complete, your Outlook emails should sync properly, and the error may no longer appear. However, if you continue to face the same problem, it may be a wise decision to use a professional recovery tool to restore your emails. Regain PST recovery software is specially designed to recover email data from damaged or inaccessible Outlook accounts. It also offers advanced recovery features for complete data restoration. Visit the official website to download and try the free trial version of the software. So, that's the 4 possible methods to fix the Outlook not updating inbox error.